ಅಪ್ಪ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಸರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗವಲ್ತು ಹಂಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ತಪ್ಪ. ನೀನೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ.
ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿ ಏನನ್ನ.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ತರ ಮಾಡಬು ಅತಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Come, let's build an app from a website.
Hey, welcome back to SAcademy by Sachin Adi. Simple Tech Education.
Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your website into an Android app APK in just 5 minutes without any coding. Yes, it's super easy and also beginner friendly. Here we'll be using a tool called Website to APK. Now, this is just like a normal Windows application which converts your website into an APK. So, this is just a tool which builds an app from scratch. It simply wraps your website into an APK file. So basically, your website becomes an Android app. Users can install it on their phone and it just works like a normal app. So just think of it like turning your website into an app instantly without any coding. Now you can see the interface of this. First, here we have app title. Here we have two options. Before app title, here we have two options. That is local HTML website. If you have built any website using HTML files which are stored locally in your computer, you can also upload these files in this app and convert that into an APK. But here we are using a live website URL and converting that live URL into an app. So first you can give the app title. Here I am giving SAcademy. That's my own tutorial website. So here we have some columns with the blue diagonally marks. So here these indicates that it can be editable only in the paid version. So you can see here it is asking for the license key. So in our tutorial we just need the free version of this tool to convert a website into a APK. And next we have the output directly. What does this mean is, after converting the app, the APK file will be stored in this location. So here I can change it to anything. Here I will be changing it to pictures. Next comes app share text. If you want to share the text to anyone, so this is the message it will be given. And next comes the app exit. So here, if you are exiting your app, this is the message it will be shown. So rest are the things which we will be leave as it is. Now here comes the major part. Here you have to type the URL of the website of which you are going to create the app or APK. Now I will be typing my own website, that is sachinadi.neosites.org. Now make sure the website which you are typing here is working properly, and very important, it must be mobile friendly and it must load fast. Next, all the commands here are in the paid version. So here we'll go to the icon of this app. So here you can change the icon by clicking on it. Now I just check the icon, and very important, the icon size must be 512 into 512 pixels. And here you have some options. Now if you want the zoom support, you can enable it. If you want your app to load in full screen, just check on it. And this is the splash screen which will be displayed. When you open the website, your app, this is the page which will be shown first. Then your website or the contents of your app will be shown. Next, here you have pull to refresh, but it is in the paid version. So now after checking everything, you can click on Build Android APK. Just click on Build Android APK and wait for some time. Now it has generated an APK file in this location. Just click on Finish and we will go to the pictures. Now you can see here I have the APK. Now you can just check it, the extension. Here it is a APK file, Android package kit or Android package file. So this is how you can create an APK. Next, you can download the APK file in your phone and just install it as a normal application. Now I will show you next how to install it in your phone. Now after downloading the APK file, I have transferred it to my phone in the storage folder. Here I can see the app named SAcademy. The version is 1.0.apk. Now I will install it. Just click on Package Installer. Now for security reasons, it says you cannot install the APK file directly. So go to Settings. Now allow from this source, you check it. Now wait for some time. Just click on I am aware. Wait till this becomes 0 and now click on OK. Now click on Install. Now it scans for some security. Now everything is passed. Just open. Now this is the splash screen. Now just allow it. Allow it. Just as I am opening for the first time, it gives it. So as you remember, I have enabled the full screen mode. Just you can see all the menus. So this is how you can install your APK file. By the end of this video, I will be providing you with 4 pro tips by using which your app looks more professional. Hi. Here in the Google search, type median.co and open this first site, and for the first time you need to sign up. So here I will be signing up. A verification link will be sent to your email ID. Just click on it and fill all the details and click on activate. Here, just type the name of the website from which you have to create an APK file or the app. I'll be typing my own website name, sachinadi.neosites.org. Now, it has taken everything from this website, that is the favicon. We call this icon as a favicon. So, this favicon in the website acts as an icon for the app. So the title which I have given for this website has taken as the app name. Now click on start building. So now you can see the logo has generated by itself. Now you can change the interface in Android. Here we have some of the settings. Keep screen on, that means the screen will be always on. Here I have set the full screen to enable it. Now my app will open in full screen mode. And next we have pull to refresh. I'll be just enabling it also. If I have any swipe gestures, I have to enable it. And here I'll be enabling the pinch to zoom. So you can zoom the contents in your app. So here we have another settings. So it depends upon how you customize your app. And next, the main thing, you have some permissions. Either you can enable your microphone or camera. I'm just disabling it. Now after everything is over, you can just click here to see how it is displayed in your mobile. So this is the splash screen. See, this is how it looks in your mobile. So next, go to build and download. Here we have two options, APK and AAB. APK stands for Android Package Kit and AAB stands for Android App Bundle. Here APK is just like a exe file in your Windows. It is an executable file. We just need to download it in our mobile and click on it to install, just like a software in our Windows computer system. Now next we need AAB to upload this bundle in Google Play Store. So to upload in Play Store, we need AAB file. So here in the free version, it provides both APK and AAB file. Whichever you want, you can download it. Now it takes some time to build it. So now it has built it. Now you can download AAB so that you can upload it in the Google Play Store. And here I am downloading an APK file. I will just install it in the mobile. Now click on download APK. Now you can see here it is downloading. The name will be app release. You can rename it later. Next I will show you actually how you can install it in the mobile. After downloading the APK file, I have transferred it into the document folder in the phone. Now I'm just clicking on this APK. Just click on install. Again install. Now it is scanning for some security checks. So now click on open. Now again here also I have enabled the full screen mode. So you can see everything is working fine. This is how, see, everything is in mobile responsive mode. So this is how you can create a web
As I
app.
told earlier, now we will discuss about 4 pro tips for building professional apps. The first tip is the bottom bar. You will be seeing in the websites the header or the menu bar. But the same website, if you open it in the mobile, you can see the hamburger style. So this header or the menu bar is shortened and converted into a hamburger style menu bar. But in apps, we usually see the bottom bars. which you can see it in any payment apps or just like Zomato, Blinkit. Here we'll be having the bottom bars. So it is advised to use bottom bars instead of menu bars in the apps. So next comes the notification. This is the second tip. Usually in the websites, you will see the toast notification. The green color toast notification appears and disappears. But in the app, we don't see the toast notifications. We'll be using or we'll be seeing a separate page for the notification. The best example for it, when you make a payment in the app, a separate notification page is opened for you and all the details of the payment made will be displayed. So this kind of a separate page notification instead of the toast notification is advised in mobile apps. So the third tip will be the scroll behavior. In the websites opened in desktop screens, usually we see both horizontal navigation and also the vertical navigation. Here we can see the horizontal navigation in the sites opened in the browser in desktops. But usually we don't prefer this horizontal scrolling behavior in the apps in mobiles. We use only the vertical behavior. So by using this vertical behavior in the apps, the user experience will be more beautiful. And the last tip is the zoom effect. Usually in browsers opened in desktop, we can zoom in and zoom out the web page. But this is not the case in the mobile apps. The best example is you have seen in InShots news app, where we can see the news displayed and we cannot zoom the text. So this is the last and the best tip which is advised when you are creating the mobile apps. I hope this video finds interesting and also helpful to you, and also the 4 tips which I have shared in the last. So happy creating a mobile apps. If you like this video, please subscribe.